Hey, this is Gopi Krishna, Ur16Cs075, and this is Web Technology Lab Experiment number 7. So, in this exercise, we'll be creating a web page with the help of jQuery. I will be creating a dynamic web page with the help of jQuery and JavaScript. So, in this exercise, our objective is to create a web page based on the given mockup page. So, let's begin our program. So first we begin with HTML, then title, model, and this is the script source for jQuery. As you can see, we have written it over here. I'll just select it once. jQuery, that is to use jQuery in this HTML code. Then we have written some CSS that is under the style tag for this particular web page. I'll be explaining it later. And we move on to the body of the web page. Now body, the first division is a header, model, h1, it's in the center, and then some content inside the model. We have created a button, that is when we, our objective is when we click on this button, this content, the selected content should drop down, and then we create a close button at the end of this text, so that after we, once the user has read the text, and then if he wishes to close it, it clicks on the close button and the text box again shrinks. So then moving on to the next division, the next division we have created different sections, 5 sections to be precise: section 1, section 2, section 3, and each of them has some content. Now our objective is, like, when we click on this particular section, this particular text should drop down and should be visible. And then we have in another division we have created accordions, total 5 accordions to be precise. And again, the objective of this accordions are different. So for example, the first accordion, it is increases the line height of the content. The second accordion changes the opacity of its content. The third one changes the font size. Fourth one changes the font color, and the last one changes the background color of its content. So now here we have written the JavaScript for the program, and that is model. Model is the button that we created for the drop down content dot hide, and when we click the button, it should go to the function which will be described here, click function. We have written all the relevant JavaScript code here, and we have also used animate here. Now I'll be demonstrating it, what this animation is used for, and when I display the web page. And that's the end of the JavaScript. Now let's look at what the web page looks like. Moving on. So this is the basic design of a web page. Now when we click on this, it opens. As you can see, the animation. Well, again, when I close it, it switches here. This is the original orientation of the 2 divisions. Now when I click open, it swipes, and when I close, it again swipes back. Now opening the section, it drops, the content drops down. Now this function is similar for all these sections here. So section 4, when I click on it, it closes. Section 3 would now close, section 4 would now close, section 2 would now close. Now accordion 1, every accordion had its own function. The first one was to increase the line height of the size. The second one, the opacity changes. As you can see, the opacity has reduced. The third one is to change the font size. As you can see, this larger font size. Accordion 4 is to change the font color. Accordion 5 is the background color. So you can see all the 5 criteria are satisfied, and that's the end of the 7th experiment using jQuery. Thank you.